what's the best financial advice na na-receive mo? Sa lahat-lahat ng mga nag-advise sa'yo, bro, ano yung pinaka-best financial advice?
I'm really torn between two pieces of financial advice. Kasi yun talaga nagsabi sa akin that made a lot of difference for me. Hindi siya related sa stocks talaga eh. It's really about the life you have together with your wife, yung asawa mo. Diba? Unite mo yung kumbaga, diba? Ang nagsabi sa akin niya, yung this is my personal experience, pare. I mean, again, what works for me might not work for you. So do your own research and tansyahin mo. But for me, what works very well is yung pera lang kami ng misis ko. I think that's one of the... Kasi you get two heads together into one mission, which is to fund